I've got something new. Right, yeah, so just before Christmas I put in an order for a DJI Spark drone through Telstra. Just as I ordered, it went out of stock, of course. So I've had to wait about 5 weeks for my drone to show up. It's finally shown up, so I thought I'd show you a bit of an unboxing. And then we'll go for a test flight. Let's take a look. Camera's a bit close to the box. Alright. Easy. Easy. That's a big box full of a little box. Yeah. So this is the DJI Spark. I got a deal off Telstra that was too good to refuse. I've been waiting since middle of December because just as I ordered it, they went out of stock, of course. So let's take a look what we got. Phone box, a couple of small boxes. Flying with a controller. Flying with a controller. Rules for flying drones. Does not want to come out. Come out of the box. Oh, earthquake. Oh, here's the controller. Oh, it's quite weighty. It actually feels really good. The quality is pretty amazing, but I guess that's to be expected, being that it's DJI. Charging port. Charging cable. Yeah. Whole bunch of little books, I'm guessing it's like instruction manuals, probably different languages. Oh, gesture mode. You can control this by hand movements. It's pretty exciting. Alright, now for the best bit. Whoa! It's so tiny. It's actually unbelievable how small it is. Comes with 2 spare props. Oh, and it's got a little QR code there. I guess you can scan to reorder the part, which is good. Hopefully I won't need that too soon. But it is crazy small. Like, there's my hand, and there's the drone. It is absolutely awesome. I cannot wait to go for a test fly. So we're out here, this is Coomera area. Tried to find somewhere nice and quiet and where I was allowed to fly my drone without getting into too much trouble. And if you look around me, there's not a lot around. But I reckon it'll make pretty good scenery from the sky. So I think this is a perfect place to go for the first flight, test flight, and build up a bit of confidence. Because yeah, it's pretty nerve-wracking having a drone that's worth that much money be so far away from you and so high in the sky. But you just need the trust that nothing's going to go wrong. With all the features that are involved, it will come back to home if it loses connection. So let's go for a fly and take a look.